we got some very big news here. Very, very big from Anime News Network. Just released this article. This is going to be a big deal, guys. Dragon Ball Super is going to be simulcast on Crunchyroll, Daisuke, and AnimeLabs. We've been waiting for a Dragon Ball Super simulcast from the beginning, and it looks like now, if you are in the United States, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand, your Daisuke's going to stream the series, and if you're a Crunchyroll subscriber, you'll be able to watch it subtitled at 9 p.m. Eastern Time, which is about 1 hour after the episode airs. So you're going to get the entire episode on TV 1 hour after it airs, starting on October 30th. It's going to offer, basically the way it's going to work from what we understand here in the article, is that it's going to start with episode 63, and then on October 30th, which is the following week, it says offer 10 of the earlier episodes per week. So I guess they're going to do 1 through 10, 10 through 20, 20 through 30, etc. So they're going to add like 10 episodes a week. This is kind of a big deal, guys. This is the first true Dragon Ball Super expansion outside of Japan. This is the first true Dragon Ball Super, I suppose, sign of it being localized. No information on an English dub. That's something that is still in the works. But this, again, kind of further tells us that the dub is going to eventually come, probably for television. I'm guessing that the English dub is going to be released for television and for home video, and then eventually, of course, on Funimation.com. But before then, it looks like that Toei did make a deal with Crunchyroll, Daisuke, and AnimeLab to stream Dragon Ball Super every Saturday night. So you no longer have to wait until the next day to watch the subtitle version, or 2 days later or anything like that. It's going to be streaming 100%, legal, which is a good thing, by the way. No, you don't have to go to certain websites to watch it anymore, like I know some of you guys did. You can now watch it on Crunchyroll every Saturday night. So I think that's good news. That's good news. I'm still going to see if I can have my super reviews up a little bit sooner. We'll see what happens. I may shift them. I haven't decided yet what I'm going to do, but it's going to be interesting. It's going to be an interesting time. And yeah, I guess it's big news. We've been waiting for it, and we'll see what happens. We'll see what's going on, and we'll see. I mean, that's crazy. I'm just kind of at a loss for words here, because things are actually moving. We have movement going on in our community, and that's always a good thing. Thanks again, guys, for checking out this little news update from Anime News Network. There's not too much information here, but I guess it'll be on Crunchyroll Saturday night, and it's nice and legal. Thank you. We'll talk to you down the road. Oh, I have my manga chapter 17 review up on the website, or up on Geekdom 101 channel right now, so check that out. Some new information there. Talk to y'all later.